Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use ChatGPT on your iPhone. Now, I'm going to head over to the App Store right here, and we're going to go ahead and tap the search button here, or search box rather, and then we're going to go ahead and type here ChatGPT, just like so. Go ahead and open that one. And then from here, you can go ahead and proceed downloading it. Just click that over there, and then we'll have to wait for this one. All right, now that it has been downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open that one, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap continue right here. So from this point forward, you can then go ahead and start working your way around here. However, if say, for example, you're planning to use this one for more purposes, so let's say you want to save your records, go ahead and click the sign up right here. And then I'd suggest using continue with Apple. That is going to be a lot easier for iPhone users. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And yeah, basically, we are done. So congratulations, everybody. You've successfully created your own chat GPT. Start using this one right here, just like so. And it's going to be amazing, everyone.